Habibi!
Yes! So ngayon dito tayo sa Dubai! Ayan, kasama natin of course si Coach J.K. Ramon na nag-iisa nating leader sa Middle East. So grabe nakakatuwa kasi noon naman kausap ko lang to sa Telegram, may tinawagan ko pa hindi kami magkakontakan kasi bawal ang messenger. Diba? Bawal ang tawag sa Telegram. Yes, so talagang nag-VPN pa siya. At tumawagan niya pa ako via normal call. And right now, ayun, magkasama na kami. And I remember the first time I met Coach JK was when pinilit ko siyang pumunta ng Pilipinas. Diba? Pumunta sa Pilipinas during that time. And grabe, nakita ko yung commitment ng tao. Sinabihan ko pumunta sa Pilipinas. Aba, nag-book nga! Napunta siya ng Pilipinas. So we celebrated there. And also, ayan, nagkaroon kami ng mga training store as well as nag-attend siya ng ating economy launching sa Pilipinas. And now, we are launching finally our Middle East. Diba? Our Middle East. Pero especially para sa mga OFWs na nandito sa Middle East, diba? Kasi alam naman namin na talagang hindi madali ang buhay OFW, diba? Si Coach JK has been an OFW for how many years na?
Totaling more than 15 years. Pero dito sa Dubai itself, nasa 11 years na.
Yeah, so talagang grabe. Ito talaga si Coach JK. Alam nakita niyo naman, may edad natin. 15 years ng OFW. So kung merong makaka-relate sa inyo, lalo sa inyong mga OFW, si Coach JK yun. Alam niya kung gaano kahirap ang pagiging OFW. Marami talaga siya nami-miss ng mga special occasions, di ba? Meron pang time na kinasal nga yung ano niya, di ba, yung brother niya. Kasi hindi siya pinayagan. To the point na nag-resign na lang siya para maka-attend nun sa wedding. So ganun ka, grabe yung impact na nawawala. Then syempre yung ano, yung value of time, na nawawala just because you are far away, di ba? You're working in exchange of money, di ba? Yung sacrifice mo doon is yung oras mo with your family, which is definitely hindi naman dapat nangyayari sa lahat yun. Pero syempre, since hardworking, di ba? Since sobrang talaga yung heart ng mga Pilipino na makatulong sa pamilya is nandyan, hindi talaga papapigil yung mga talagang mag-a-abroad. Kaya nga, in every corner of the world, nandyan ang mga Pilipino. We always have a footprint of a Filipino. Kahit saan, kahit nung nagpunta ako ng Europe, grabe Pilipino. Nagpunta ako ng Japan, grabe yung Pilipino. Even here in Middle East, grabe rin yung mga Pilipino. Kaya grabe, talagang yung heart ko is nasan dyan sa mga OFWs. Now, ang ultimate goal talaga namin ni Coach JK is syempre, ma-dominate and ma-conquer natin ang buong Middle East at magkaroon kayo ng trading skill. So, as you all know, si Coach JK has been with me. He has been my student for like 8 months already, and so far, ayan, marunong na siya mag-trade. Ayan, ang galing na nga mag-trade, nagta-technical analysis siya, nag-a-analyze siya sa sariling market. And right now, ilan na yung mga students mo under you?
Under me, we were able to enroll more than 300 already. But of course, yun nga, as we all know, come and go naman po yung estudyante. Yes. So, currently now, I am maintaining around 80 students. Pero yun nga, lumampas na ako ng mga 300 to 400 students totally na nag-enroll but hindi nag-renew. So, pero ngayon mga 80 students.
So, in total, yeah.
Actively trading sa buong Middle East and a portion of US and Philippines as well.
So, ayan, lumipat tayo ng pwesto kasi ang dami dumadal sa sakyan doon. Pero grabe, as in talagang nakakatuwa kasi sobrang dami na talagang mga students na na-impact namin yung life dito sa Middle East. And talagang we're really looking forward since kaka-start pa natin i-launch yung business natin here in Dubai, most especially for OFW sa mga Pilipino natin na dito nagtatrabaho. We want to, of course, impact more people here in Dubai. And talagang, not just in Dubai, the whole Middle East actually, we have a leader in Kuwait, Saudi,
Qatar, Oman. Sa UAE naman, meron na leader ng Dubai, Abu Dhabi, at Sharjah.
Yes, so diba? So talagang we have a mark in every corner here in Middle East. Kaya talagang hindi kayo maiiwan kasi ang ultimate goal talaga natin dito is makapag-build ng community. So sobrang importante guys na meron kayong community sa trading yung journey nyo. Kasi diba ang hirap mag-isa?
Oo, yung community kasi it helps you in knowing kung tama ba yung ginagawa mo. At saka iba pa rin talaga yung may presence ng physical community.
Correct.
Mahirap yung virtual community lang eh. You will still feel alone and isolated pagka virtual community lang. And every time yung mga OFW, sanay na sa physical community. Ang hinahanap namin is yung virtual community. So, ang ganda talaga ng concept na magkaroon ng trading plus a physical community wherein you will add more value on your lifestyle sa ibang bansa. Lalo na kung kunwaring wala kang namang kaibigan sa lugar mo, Tapos may mga kakilala ka ngayon na mamimit up mo, makikilala mo, and you can trade with them. So kumbaga parang nagkakaroon ka ng bagong circle of friends or connections.
Yes.
Yun talaga ang importante, yung
Correct.
physical community.
Yeah.
And we all know, Filipinos thrive when they are working together.
Yes, correct.
Yun talaga, may bayanihan system talaga tayo kahit ang daming mga pasaway na Pilipino
Innate na yan sa atin.
Oo, kahit madaming pasaway na Pilipino, pero nagtutulungan pa rin tayo kasi nasa ibang lugar tayo eh. So tayo-tayo lang namang tutulungan.
Correct, diba? Kaya talaga sobrang essential na you're part of a community, especially if you really want to
Yes.
pursue trading, here in trading industry. So, nakakatuwa kasi syempre, nag-step up si Coach Ricky to really lead our community here in Middle East. Alam ko nung una, ayaw talaga niya. Kasi talagang, no, ayoko. Talaga, ayaw niya talaga. Pero, ayan, napilit naman natin, wala na siyang magawa. Diba? And I'm really happy naman with the leadership of Coach Ricky. Kasi talaga nandyan yung heart niya to really help other people. Not just, of course, for personal gain, pero yung talagang heart niya na magkaroon kayo ng additional source of income. Kasi alam naman natin talaga yung hirap ng buhay mo, especially yung mga OFWs natin, sila talaga yung mga breadwinner, yung nagpapadala yan ng pera. Halos minsan, buong sahod nila pinapadala na yun sa Pilipinas, di ba? Para lang, of course, makapag-provide sa family nila. Kaya talaga sobrang saludo ako sa mga OFWs. And right now, syempre, ang goal natin is, of course, magkaroon kayo ng magandang or solid na community dito, wherein we will be conducting several trainings. Magkakaroon tayo ng mga events wherein pwede kayong mag-attend doon. So, we will be posting saan, nalagay ko dito. Ito yung Facebook page. Yan, Facebook page ng Team Buhangin. So, by the way, si Team Buhangin is the name of the community here in Dubai, most specifically for the OFWs here. So, ngayon, if you are part of Team Buhangin, doon kayo mag-update, magkikita-kita kayo, yan, magkakaroon kayo ng mga events together, you will be doing trainings, trading together, and then, syempre, may mga iimbitahan na si Coach JK na mga expert na mga traders, na mga educators na pwedeng magturo sa inyo, and pwede kayong mag-live trading together. So, ngayon, ang pinaka-ultimate goal talaga is, ayan, makapag-conduct ng mga face-to-face training, so you can attend as well. Tapos, very minimal lang naman yun. Ang babayaran nyo, food nyo, diba? And also for the venue. Tapos, we will also be doing mga small group discussions, small group trainings, ganyan. So, you can meet up sa mga bahay-bahay. So, if you can offer your house, why not, diba? At least for the community as well. And also, we will be doing yan, tuloy-tuloy na mga webinars to also help those people na medyo malalayo, ganyan. So, marami tayong mga plans dito sa community natin sa Middle East. Kaya I hope na talagang makasabay na kayo kasi kung maiiwan kayo, then definitely sayang yung knowledge kasi talagang sobrang ganda talaga. Right now, si Coach JK actually nag-try, marami na nasunog to, sa totoo lang. Ang dami na nasunog na account, pero dun sa mga nasunog niya na yan, tuto siya. And yung natutunan niya is to, of course, observe proper risk management. And right now, meron siyang account na
Meron akong account na solely sumusunod siya sa trading plan. Meron akong ginawang trading plan with my team, with the Team Buhangin, and also yung buong Team Buhangin, mandatory ko silang pinapagamit ng trading plan na yun. And currently, I started with a $400 account, day one, and it's a compounding strategy wherein I'm targeting only 3% per day of gain and loss. Currently, nasa na ako, 61 or 62 days na ako. The 400 capital is now already around 3,100, 3,200. My target, my first milestone target is day 129, wherein my capital of 400 will be reaching 18,000, which equates to 1 million pesos.
Yes, grabe, diba? So for 120 days, half a year lang yun, and you are already a millionaire, diba?
Dahan-dahan lang kasi dati, aggressive, greedy. Basta't may bakanting oras, salpak lang ng salpak, pindot lang ng pindot. Wala akong plano dati. So, there's a very big difference yung nagkaroon ako ng trading plan talaga. Kasi nga, I am guided now. So, pag nahit ko yung target ko for the day, I have the option not to trade anymore. Kasi nga, nahit ko na yung target ko for the day. It's more than enough already. Kasi nga, ang target ko is yung 1 million talaga. So, kung mag-over leverage ka or mag-over trade ka kasi, there are chances na yung nahit mo na target mo for the day, baka mabawi pa. And mag-over trade ka palalo or mag-revenge trading ka palalo. So, that's why, ang target ko lang is very minimal or very small for the day. Pero kasi kung kunwari consistent mo kasi siyang nai-hit, it will eventually grow. And that will lead to ang binibuild up natin sa trading plan is yung behavior talaga. Which is yun ang mahirap talagang i-build. Yung trade. Madali lang yung technical, madali lang yun aralin eh. That's only 20% of becoming a trader. The remaining 80% is really your behavior, psychology, and all talaga.
Yeah.
Yun.
Correct. So talagang grabe. Ang talagang na build up dito kay Coach JK is yung paano niya i-manage yung greediness niya. So talagang grabe. Ang galing nga kasi nung mapanood ko rin yung mga kasi sobrang transparent yung training niya. Makikita mo talaga doon kung paano nag-build yung account niya from 400 to 3,000. So hindi ibig sabihin na alam mo yun, ganito lang kinikita mo, hindi ka na magaling na trader. Para sa akin, it's not really about how big your profit is, but how consistent you are na nagpo-profit ka every single day, diba? So yun ang pinaka-ultimate goal natin dito, to teach you how to do proper risk management. So if you are a kind of person, paano yan? Zero knowledge ako. Kaya ko ba yan? Busy ako eh. Paano yan? May trabaho. Hindi ko ata kaya yan. Guys, here with our community, you can start profiting by, of course, doing copying. Ayan, na pwede kayong mangopya. So it doesn't necessarily mean na busy ka, hindi ka na pwede kumita kasi we have instruments and tools wherein pwede kang kumita kahit nangopya ka lang. So we will be providing mga signals, insights, analysis namin, and then pwede mo yung kopyahin. And also, yung company, like ito, yung nire-represent namin na company ngayon, which is Economy, is also providing mga signals and analysis din. We have automated battery scanner wherein kokopyahin mo yan, literal. Ito yung entry price, and then ito yung TP, ito yung stop loss. So talagang mangungopya ka na lang. And also, if hindi pa kung sinabi nyo, busy pa rin ako, hindi ko kaya mangopya ng signal. We also have automation, guys. Yan. So, we also have a robot. Yan. Meron tayong automated trading wherein yun, automatically may trade na sa account mo. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-trade. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-copy ng signal. Meron na nag-trade on your behalf, diba? So kahit busy ka, kahit natutulog ka, kahit nagbabakasyon ka, kahit kumakain ka, kahit nag-aalaga ka ng anak or whatever.
Kahit nagtatrabaho ka.
Yes, diba? Meron ka pa rin income because, of course, meron nag-automatic trading sa account mo.
Yes.
So that's the beauty of our services kasi talagang andyan na lahat, ilalatag na namin. Depende sa kung anong kailangan mo. Pero if you feel like na you wanted to learn a deeper knowledge about forex trading, then definitely andito kami to guide you and help you na magkaroon ng knowledge na talagang makakatulong sa'yo lifetime. Kasi lifetime skill na to di ba? So this is a high-paying skill na definitely hindi mo pagsisisihan kasi kahit alam mo, magsara lahat ng mga establishments dito sa Dubai, magkaroon ulit ng pandemic, o mamahanga, o magkaroon ma-stranded ka, you will still have the means to earn money kasi meron kang skill na hindi mamananakaw ng kahit sino. Yeah. So, imbitahan natin sila Coach JK sa mga paparating natin mga events and sa kanila ko kontakin.
Okay. Everyone, I am JK Ramon. I'm the leader of Team Buhangin. We're under the leadership of course, our Coach Lady. And we are actually using the platform Economy to build new traders, aspiring traders to become profitable and, get additional income on the side. Like for me, I am a full-time, I have a full-time 8 to 5 job here in Dubai, but I am doing on the side Economy and learning trading as well. As what Lady was saying earlier, I am zero knowledge. I started last March 1. Zero knowledge in trading and zero knowledge in affiliate marketing, but I am earning now. Of course, may nasunog pero ngayon nababawi ko na kasi natuto na ako. I am the leader of Team Buhangin, which is handling mostly the whole Middle East, but we are now extending on other regions or other parts of the world. But mainly, my focus as the leader entrusted by Coach Lady is the Middle East region. So if you are here, join us so that we can update to you what are the current events that we are going to be planning, where are the face-to-face seminars or trainings that we'll be conducting, and everything that you need to know. You can join our observer. Everything that you need to start is there. Okay?
So ayun guys, thank you Coach JK for this opportunity and I hope makasama namin kayo next time dito sa mga events namin here in Dubai. So thank you guys!